Welcome. If you own the Jabra Elite 85 earbuds, you would know that you have some noise issues that have been needed to be resolved by the company for some time now. And they have now issued an update, and you can update your earbuds to fix noise issues and even pretty much enhance the ANC overall. So it's been announced that Jabra, Jabra is a very up and coming popular earbud manufacturer now, because they are really getting tons of buyers that are becoming a household name, pretty much like Anker, the Sony. They are really becoming big these days. So it is normal for them to work on their products. So what happens is that their earbuds had some popping sounds that happens when switching between noise cancelling and ambient modes. So Jabra, after this new update, would eliminate those issues, especially the ones that are very nasty on some of the earbuds. Some people don't like that pop, especially if the earbuds are pretty much high on their volume. You wouldn't want to be hearing pop when you want to switch from ANC to regular ambient mode. That's really annoying. So the update firmware is available through the Jabra Sound app. So you go there, you get your updates. Pretty much once you get this update, it stops. In fact, this noise even happens whenever you want to even make calls as well. When it's trying to go from your regular music to your calls, it makes that popping sound. And the update as well adds Bluetooth 5.1 support, which is a much more advanced Bluetooth 5.0 support. Is better than the regular 5.0, and it even decreases charging time to 3.5 hours compared to the 4 hours that it previously charged at. So it's what it is. It's now available. Please make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel, and because most of these updates we always post it here for people that need these updates. If you're a fan of all these audio brands, I do my best to cover them, and as well as bring you guys any update report from these brands. I really literally search the internet to get any new update, because I can see a lot of my followers here watch my Jabra earbud videos and podcasts. So I do my best to always update you guys on any Jabra update or products on the market. If you like this content, please subscribe to our channel, follow us here on our YouTube and on our social media, and I'm going to see you guys next time.